Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video we will see the analysis for Bank Nifty and basically Fin Nifty for tomorrow, क्योंकि कल Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty दोनों की expiry है. So before I start, let's discuss little bit about how market went today and what are levels where I was looking for. So today I booked around 1.69 lakhs rupees loss. I have shared this on my Twitter timeline as well. You can see the positions there. So आप देख सकते हो here somewhere around this was the levels which for the Benex it started around this time. यहाँ पर ये वाला range जो है from here 6347 to 60. So you can see the range is not that big, but the problem was there was lot of SL slippage. By SL slippage का मतलब ये है कि जैसे I personally have an SL of suppose 300 rupees, that I got a slippage of around 430. So that particular strike got exited at 430. तो काफ़ी SL हिट्स हुए हैं इसी वजह से, क्योंकि स्लीपेज बहुत हाई हुआ है. बिकॉज इफ़ आई कीप सपोज certain amount, certain percentage, or on the basis of entry certain points of SL, then that was not been executed, but there was a lot of slippage, and because of that I have to book the loss. So it's fine, because there was nothing wrong with my strategy. Only thing is that the SL hits where SL there was a lot of slippage, because BankX, if you know that this BSC indexes have always faced this kind of issue. So I always recommend either you don't trade in BSC indexes, or if you trade, just trade with strict risk management SL, और बहुत कम पोजीशन साइजिंग के साथ आप इसको एग्जीक्यूट करो. नेक्स्ट मैं अगर कल के इंडेक्स की बात करूँ, सो टुमारो वी हैव बैंक निफ्टी एंड फिन निफ्टी, बिकॉज डे आफ्टर टुमारो विल बी अ हॉलीडे. सो पहले बैंक निफ्टी के लेवल्स देखते हैं. सो इफ़ यू सी बैंक निफ्टी समवेयर अराउंड हियर, I'll mark one more level. So yeah, so if you see Bank Nifty here, somewhere around here Bank Nifty started. So 50 to 150 is still holding as a strong support for Bank Nifty. यहाँ पर 50 to 150 levels is a strong support for Bank Nifty. And if we see on the basically on the resistance side, so this is one of the resistance, that is 52,643, 52,640. बट दिस विल बी अ रेजिस्टेंस टू अ सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. पहला रेजिस्टेंस कहाँ पर होगा? फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस आई विल मार्क समथिंग अराउंड हियर, बिकॉज देखो यहाँ से एक सपोर्ट लेने की कोशिश करें तो ये वाला एक रेजिस्टेंस होगा. सो दिस विल बी वन मोर रेजिस्टेंस R1, एंड दिस इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी R3. नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ व्हाट हैपन्स इन केस द मार्केट ओपन्स फ्लैट and market opens basically up, or we can say above this levels which I have marked, or below this level. So first if it opens flat, definitely ये वाले levels work करेंगे. आप 50 to 150 को as a support level लेकर आप यहाँ से long कर सकते हो बैंक निफ्टी में. and if you are an option seller, definitely you can sell put based on this. बट इफ़ बैंक निफ्टी ओपन, सपोज वी गेट अ नेगेटिव ओपनिंग और इसके नीचे ओपन होता है, सो व्हाट कैन वी डू नाउ? सो अगर इसके नीचे ओपन होता है, सो व्हाट कैन वी डू? हियर इज़ द अदर लेवल 51,772. तो ये आपका नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस बन जाएगा 51,770. सो 51,770 विल बी योर नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ सपोर्ट. तो ये सपोर्ट को आप ध्यान में रख के यू कैन टेक दिस सपोर्ट, एंड देन यू कैन do your trade accordingly. यहाँ you can go long, or you can sell a puts based on if you're an option writer. But if you get anything above this, because there are possibility that we can give a positive opening as well. So 52,640 and above, if you get 52,640 and above, then definitely take this one as the next resistance level, that is 52,800, and trade between this zone, taking this as a support and this as a resistance. So this will be the if it gives a positive opening. So why I'm telling all these things, see, when we trade anything based on price action, so we should always know what will be our next target and what will be our support level for exiting our trade. क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा बोला है, before you make an entry, exit is the important part. So exit is very much important. So आप entry जैसे ही लेते हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए where you are going to exit. So SL is very important. तो दिस इज़ फॉर बैंक निफ्टी. नाउ लेट्स सी फॉर फिन निफ्टी. अगर हम फिन निफ्टी का ट्रेड देखेंगे तो फिन निफ्टी हैज़ गिवन समथिंग लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न विच आई हैव ड्रॉन. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पर एक बॉटम बनाया है फिन निफ्टी ने. लेट मी ड्रॉ हियर समथिंग. या सो ये दिस वन इज़ वन ऑफ द लेवल्स विच फिन निफ्टी हैज़ गिवन. सो sorry, let me change the time frame to 5 minutes maybe. Yeah, or let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so definitely this is, so here is somewhere this is the support level, this is the support level. So this is S1, that is 23,430. So 23,430 is one level of support. दूसरा support होगा somewhere around here, the next level of resistance somewhere around here. So that will be 23,600 will be your next level of resistance for fin nifty. Now as I mentioned, see, fin nifty and bank nifty both are very wild indexes, so you can expect a lot of moves as well in the market. So be cautious in that. But for fin nifty I would say definitely key taking this level, so just trade in the small range which I have mentioned, because small range में रहने से क्या होता है कि आपका जो stop loss होगा that will be little small, so आप you are not going to lose huge in that. So trade in this range and then you can take your position or increase your position accordingly, because if you're trading both the indexes fin nifty, so definitely your position sizing should be accordingly managed. So this is for fin nifty for tomorrow. And also I'll be sharing some of the breakout stocks which you can look for this week, maybe in my 8 p.m. video. So please stay tuned and please do subscribe to the channel as well if you like the video and if you want me to make more content on this. So thank you everyone and see you again in my next video. Thank you.